What's up guys, welcome back to FDMX Fitness, your go-to place for at-home workouts, and we're back to unbox and review another massage gun. You gotta train hard, but you also have to recover. We're gonna take one out unbox one, and see if we like it and what it can do. Alright guys, here we go. So, this one here is by Roof Tree. Box out of the way and open it up and see what they sent us. This is the Roof Tree R20 percussion massage device. Alright guys, here we go. So, nice and compact little small traveling case. Packaging is also nice. Always nice if a lot of people are gonna give these for gifts, so it's nice if they have nice presentation or packaging. Okay, so okay. Alright, so we got the charger, different heads. It's kind of like a softer foam here. So this one comes with 3 heads. This looks nice. This is different. This is a new thing, kind of like a brushed aluminum type of look here. We're gonna see this. That's definitely hard. We'll see how it feels. This is softer here. I like this shape. It's like that lighter, thinner foam. And they have this one here. This looks like a bullet. I can't wait to see how this feels. All right, let's take it out, see what it can do, see how it feels. And we'll also try this on clients too. Looks different, it feels nice also. So the charging port is back here. We've got some power cords here. Plug it up and see what it can do. Put this softer one in here first. In order to turn this thing on, you just hold the power button down and it turns itself on, and you push the power. It's only one button, which is kind of nice. You have to turn it off from the bottom. Usually the massage guns, you gotta hit the switch from the bottom and turn it on. This is just one button here. This is nice. It's going pretty deep. It's also not that heavy. Let's compare it to other ones right quick. You just hold the power button down. Let's grab another massage gun and see what it feels like. So this one's, it packs a good punch, but it's nice because it's not as heavy, which is kind of nice. Because you will get tired. If you're using it on yourself, not so much, but other people, you're gonna get fatigued if it's too heavy and you're doing it all day. It's just as strong as this one too. So it's lighter, that's for sure, but it feels almost the same. Basically the same. I can't even tell the difference. It's not loud, which is always a good thing. I'm talking over it, and that was at top speed. So it has 4 speeds. This was the foam head. You just get 3 heads, but sometimes you don't use all the heads anyway. Not that big of a deal. I've never tried anything that looks this hard. This really looks official. I'm gonna try this. I like the one button thing. It's actually faster for me. I actually like that. I thought that I wouldn't like that. And I'm pushing hard too. I can see myself actually using that head too. Let's try this bullet one. And we'll also take this and try it on a live person. This really looks like you're getting ready to do something. The top's like a matte finish, which I do like. It looks cool, I like it, and it's light. All right, this is intense. If you have some serious knots in your back, like you have someone with like knots in their posterior shoulder, let me see it on my leg. This is gonna hurt. So if you have someone who just like I have the toughest, deepest massage ever, you can use this bullet on their back. This would be too much for me. I wouldn't use this one. But if you're that person who you just swear you have the knots in your back from hell, this will do it. I couldn't use this on anybody. It's gonna hurt them. This is not so bad though. This one's pretty good. It's intense enough for me. Yeah. It doesn't feel heavy in the hand. I use massage guns so often I get fatigued from holding them constantly. Yeah, and I'm liking the fact that it's just one button. Because what I usually do is use 2 massage guns at one time, and it slows me down. I have to turn it off from the bottom, hold the power button, turn the other one off from the bottom, hold the power button. That's something that this one doesn't. And all massage guns, most of them do that. You have to turn them off from the bottom and turn them on. This thing too has the most compact, this is the best traveling case I've seen. This thing is so light and compact. I mean, this is about 9 inches long. And it just can fit right in here. You got your couple heads, you put your charger right there. Everything can fit nice. So if you're on the go, whether you're, traveling, a trainer, you're taking it with you somewhere, I'd actually leave it in this case. So far, I'm liking what I'm seeing from this gun here. If we're gonna do is take it in the studio, compare it to other guns. I'll let them use it and let them talk about how it feels and try the different heads on them, all right? Stay tuned. Here is the Roof Tree massage gun. Just use this right quick, put it on them a little bit, hit the power button. So I got it on a max setting, hitting some shoulders here. What do you think?
Feels good.
And as I use it on him, like I said earlier, it's not heavy for me to hold. So it's not hard for me to use on him. So that was the regular fitting. Let's go ahead and try that metal flat fitting. Might be more intense, it might be too much. Slide it in and give it a try. So once again, I have it turned all the way up. Does that feel different, or what do you think?
Is this the feels about the same. I thought it was going to feel hard. I mean, just sharp pain, but with that metal, it feels
pretty good.
Great on the spine, in the back.
You can hear it?
Yes, feels great.
All right. Well, let's go ahead and we'll let him use it. He can give you his honest opinion as far as how it feels, and we'll pull out some other massage guns, and here you go. We'll compare it to a few other ones.
I love it on my hands, palms of my hands.
Let's compare it to this one. So we've talked about this one before. Bigger. This one is heavier, I think. So see how it feels. You probably can feel the weight difference. It's a little bit louder.
It sure is.
Turn all the way up. Yeah, that one hit a little bit harder, you know?
I think it's about the same. It's heavier.
Use them on your legs. And you can kind of feel.
Oh, yeah. That feels good. Oh, I love this.
They both feel good, I would say, but I would say this Roof Tree one is a little bit lighter,
yes.
Easier to control.
It's quieter.
It's quiet.
Yeah.
And we would agree that it's definitely quieter than this.
Most definitely.
It's hitting deep, and I like it because it's light, right? What do you think is lighter?
Yes.
They're both pretty quiet. Everything is quieter than this. This one is also pretty quiet. Let's compare it to this one too. I'll take that heavy, keep that one on, and then maybe you try this one. See what you think. See what you think.
This is heavier for sure.
This one's heavier.
This is,
And that one's heavier.
this is the lightest.
Oh, so that's still the lightest one. The Roof Tree so far is still the lightest one. Turn all the way up.
There it is. Now this one is one.
That's the one?
Yes.
So there we go. So far, out of the massage guns that we brought out today, this Roof Tree seems to be pretty good. It's light and it's strong, which is a good thing. All right, TB. There we go. So unbox the Roof Tree massage gun. Use it on TB in the studio. Use it on myself more. As I used it more on him and I used it on myself, we have to agree with that. This thing is lighter, but it also hits hardest. So it's the quietest, lightest massage gun we've actually had in the hand, and the power is actually good. The travel case is nice and small, very easy to transport. I actually keep this around. This is the smallest traveling case I've seen, so that's also a plus. Light and powerful, I would say. I definitely check them out. If you want to check out the Roof Tree massage gun, we'll go ahead and put a link in the description below, so you can just go ahead and click below and then get a link to this particular massage gun. Let us know in the comments if you have one of these, or what kind of massage gun you're thinking about getting. I always say, and I've reviewed a couple massage guns here on the channel, read the reviews, check them out for any massage gun that you get, and definitely get one, because like I always say, foam rolling, you got to do that. But if you have more money to invest in your home gym, you got to get a massage gun. This one I would recommend, or something. Read the reviews first and go from there. Anyway, we are done for the day, guys. I love all you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Get it, got it, get that.